YouTube, what is happening? Thanks for coming back and checking out a video. I have a special guest. This is my awesome and kick-ass wife, Mandy. Say hello.
Hello.
She says hello to everybody because she does not like to be on camera, but she decided on her own free will to be on camera. I did not make her do this. Clarifying that before we go any further. We are doing an unboxing from Nicholas Beard Works. They're based out of Buffalo Grove, Illinois. Today's date is Tuesday, March 26th, correct?
Yes.
Yes, Tuesday, March 26th, 2019. We are unboxing the package for the first time. Mandy and I picked out the scents we wanted to try together, and that's why she wanted to be on here. When she looked at these pictures on Amazon, she said the same thing I did. This is impressive. Great presentation, and that's why she wanted to be a part of it.
Oh, how cute.
All right, so we got, I call them snakes. It's basically styrofoam.
They're peanuts.
Peanuts. I'm gonna dig them everything out of here. I don't know what all's in here, so I'm digging everything out.
I like the wrapping. It's like old newspaper.
Yeah, it's the packages that they come in are just look like newspapers, and they're little bags, like little gift bags, which is pretty neat. I'm digging everything out all at once.
Oh, I really like that.
You like it?
Yeah. It's cute.
And everything else is peanuts. So let's see what we got in here today.
Is that what you're opening?
You can open up whatever you want. I want to show you guys this. This is what impresses me the most from the beginning. Nicholas Beard Works. Every bottle is wax sealed. That's impressive. That is really, really cool for presentation.
How cute.
I like this a lot. Now, I'm going to open them all up in the scents here in just a minute. Check all the scents. What's that?
Tuscan leather.
A beard oil in a skull bottle. That's awesome. That's all I'm going to say. That is really cool. All right, moving forward, what all we got? Oh, and it comes with a pump top as well.
Tobacco vanilla. Oh, they're even sealed.
Mm-hmm. Tobacco vanilla beard balm, okay? And it even has a little sticker on every single package. I'll rip it off real quick. Of the Nicholas Beard Works, little sticker there.
How cute.
Look at that. Peppermint and orange. Stands out really, really nice. Dragon's blood.
No Cuban tobacco.
Cuban tobacco.
There's a dropper. Or a sprayer.
Okay. Let's set that in the pile. Dropper. Dragon's blood. Okay.
Sandalwood bourbon.
Sandalwood bourbon.
I didn't see it.
Well, considering your sneeze was in my last video, you are right ahead. The sneeze may become popular. It just might.
Allergy. There's that. That's yours.
Oud wood. Oud wood. That everybody, if you guys know me, you know oud is one of my go-tos.
Tobacco and rum.
Oud wood.
Patchouli, sandalwood, cedarwood.
Sandalwood bourbon. Okay. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bottles of oil and 5 beard balms. And we have dropper tops or spray bottles for most of them. And that's all right. So obviously I'm going to open up the oud wood first because that is one of my favorite scents ever. So let's get this out of the way. He even has an easy access to open it. This is subtle, very subtle. It's not strong in your face like another company where you all know who I'm talking about. It's strong. This is not. I think you'll like that best of all the ouds because it's not very strong. Okay.
Yeah.
You're still not a fan?
No, I'm not a fan.
Damn, I thought I was going to get you.
No.
And the matching beard balm. It has a little sticker with the ingredients on the inside, which is a very different touch. I've never seen that before. And I think the balm...
is alright.
The balm's... I think the balm is just as good. Tobacco and rum.
Oh, that smells nice.
You like that?
Yeah.
That's good. That's almost like a cologne-esque, and that's probably because of the rum that's in there. That's what I'm thinking.
It's kind of sophisticated.
Yeah, that's right. Sophisticated. That sounds right. Dragon's blood. You picked this out.
Yeah.
Now, I do not really know what dragon's blood is supposed to be. Mandy does because she burns a lot of incense, and this was one of them that she burnt for the most part.
Yeah, it smells nice.
Is that what you were thinking it was?
Yeah, it smells nice.
I think
I
we
don't,
have.
I don't think there isn't a bomb.
No, that's okay. That's all right. I'm just pairing them up if I can. Next is Cuban tobacco, and I'm a big tobacco fan. I don't think we have one of those. That's all right. There it is, dragon's blood, the matching balm. Check that out real quick. Yeah, it's pretty equal.
Yeah, it smells really
Yeah.
nice.
So I think that one's probably going to be your favorite so far. Cuban tobacco. This is hopefully me all day, because I'm a big tobacco fan. Yeah, that one, I think you may like that one.
That smells nice.
Yeah, this is a sophisticated Cuban tobacco. I like that.
There ain't no bomb.
That's okay. Tobacco vanilla.
That's right.
I really, really like this presentation of the wax seal. That is a very nice touch, very classy. It has the seal on all of them. Oh,
This is nice.
sweet.
It's vanilla.
Yeah,
Smells like grandpa.
very smooth scent, both of them. Patchouli cedarwood.
Ow. Come on, princess. She's on camera.
She's making her first appearance, but they can't see her because right underneath where the camera is reaching.
There's no princess. She's friends.
Now, I'm a patchouli fan. Mandy is, but she isn't.
It has to be mixed with stuff. Yeah.
No, not a fan?
No.
I like it. I'm going to have to wear it more. I'm going to have to wear it and give it a try. I like the first impression, though. I like it. Sandalwood bourbon. And I'm a big sandalwood guy as well.
I like sandalwood.
Sandalwood is... If it has sandalwood in it, I'm pretty much going to like it regardless. That's usually how it works for me. Oh, yeah. I can smell it in there. Yeah, that is nice.
Thank you.
That's really, really good. Yeah.
It's like syrup you put on ice cream.
Yeah, it does. These bottles here, when Mandy saw these, this intrigued her the most. And it does me as well. Because we've never seen one before. I've seen liquor bottles and shot glasses.
I'm gonna make a porch light out of it.
Exactly. She's looking for a whiskey liquor bottle that's big enough for a porch light. So
we saw it on Pinterest.
Pinterest, is that what it was?
Yeah,
I can't remember.
We saw them. They had tequila in them, I think.
Something like that. Yes, I forget who it is.
At the liquor store.
Oh yeah, it's like $40. That's right.
Yeah.
This one's a little hard to get out, but that's all right. Peppermint and orange is what I have. Now that's nice. It's not like nasty smelling.
Oh, I like that.
That's good. That's a good blend of a citrus and a mint. This one's good.
It smells nice.
And our last one we're opening up is Tuscan leather. Nick, I'm going to tell you, you did a good job of sealing these things up. I can tell you that. This is Tuscan leather. Holy hell.
Oh, that smells nice. It smells like leather.
Yeah, that is not what I
hate
expected.
leather. That smells nice.
Holy hell. Now, off the first impressions of all these, I like all of them. The only one that I'm going to have to say I might have to wear it just give it more of a let me see is the patchouli cedar wood. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to like it regardless. But from first impressions, I am really digging all these. I really like the scents already. I will be back with a video within the next 30 days to let you know my official review of Nicholas Beardworks. Thank you very much for reaching out to me. I greatly appreciate it. When I saw Dan C's video, I was really impressed, and I was very, very excited to give these a try. And thank you again for reaching out, because that was completely unexpected. Dan gives this company a good thumbs up and a good review. I'm going to give you guys a review on my take on it here within the next month. So, got anything else you want to say about Nicholas Beardworks?
No.
You like it?
Yes, it smells really nice.
If you had to pick one, your favorite so far, what would it be?
I like the citrus. And
You like that citrus and peppermint?
I like the dragon's
Or peppermint and orange, excuse me?
Yeah,
I'm
I
sorry.
like the dragon's blood.
And the dragon's blood. Me, first impression, the
And I
oud.
like this Tuscan leather.
Yeah, that Tuscan leather that one surprised me. The oud wood, obviously, if you get, like I said, oud is one of my favorite scents, so that's definitely going to be up there. And I'm going to say probably the sandalwood bourbon or the Cuban tobacco cigar. Cuban cigar or Cuban tobacco, whichever one it was. That's the two or the three that I'm like, okay, I know they're going to be keepers. So be on the lookout for the review here in the next month. Thank you for watching. Keep on bearding.